Platform 5 for the 0540 Southeastern service to St Pancras International. Calling at Ebbsfleet International, Stratford International and St Pancras International. This train has 6 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train. Platform 5 for the 0540 Southeastern service to St Pancras International. Platform 2 for the 1332 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross via Tunbridge. Calling at Cluckley, Headcorn, Staplehurst, Marden, Paddock Wood, Tunbridge, Sevenoaks, London Bridge, London Waterloo East and London Charing Cross. This train has 8 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train. Platform 2 for the 1332 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross via Tunbridge. Platform 5A for the 1425 Southeastern service to Dover Priory. Calling at Weston Hanger, Sandling, Folkestone West, Folkestone Central and Dover Priory. This train has 4 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train. Platform 5A for the 1425 Southeastern service to Dover Priory. Platform 5 for the 1440 Southeastern service to St Pancras International. Calling at Ebbsfleet International, Stratford International and St Pancras International. This train has 12 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train.
Accessible facilities can be found in coaches 6 and 12.
Please note, some of the lifts at Stratford International are currently out of service. Please speak to a member of staff if you need further assistance. Platform 1 for the 1756 Southeastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone East. Calling at Charing, Lenham, Harwich, Hollingbourne, Bearsted, Maidstone East, Barming, East Malling, West Malling, Borough Green, Kemsing, Otford, Swanley, St Mary Cray, Bromley South and London Victoria. This train has 8 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Charing, Harwich, Hollingbourne, Barming and Kemsing should board the front 6 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train. May I have your attention please on platform 1C. We are sorry to announce that the 1824 Southern service to Eastbourne has been cancelled. This is due to a points failure. For the 1855 Southeastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone East. Calling at Charing, Lenham, Harwich, Hollingbourne, Bearsted, Maidstone East, Barming, East Malling, West Malling, Borough Green, Kemsing, Otford, Swanley, St Mary Cray, Bromley South and London Victoria. This train has 6 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train. Platform 2 for the 1930 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross via Tunbridge. Calling at Cluckley, Headcorn, Staplehurst, Marden, Paddock Wood, Tunbridge, Sevenoaks, London Bridge, London Waterloo East and London Charing Cross. This train has 8 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train. Platform 2 for the 1930 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross via Tunbridge.